Everyone all right?
Yeah, we had some close calls, but Glenn is fine and, well, yeah, we're okay.
I've got a few cans of gas for your pickup in the trunk of my car.
Good to hear it.
And things back here?
Quiet. Our friend is still in and out over there. He won't survive any more stress.
The next order of business is getting those pills out of the pharmacy.
Und damit hallo zusammen zu der nächsten Session The Walking Dead. Sehr schönes Fakt. Wir müssen, wie der Liga gesagt hat, oder der Kenniger gesagt hat, gehen die Pillen suchen in der Apotheke. Und ja, das werden wir jetzt tun. Zwei kleine Sachen noch. Es hat mich wahnsinnig gefreut, wie das angekommen ist, jetzt die ersten Parts. Es ist super. Also es ist wirklich ein ganz krass geiles Game. Und die sind dabei und ich habe sehr viele Kommentare bekommen und Feedbacks bekommen. Das freut mich natürlich und ich sage merci für das und es fängt. Wir gehen weiter. Ja, ich muss schauen jetzt, wie ich mit der Angststelle komme ich raus. Wir können schauen. Ich wünsche viel Vergnügen und wie immer, schön seid ihr mit dabei. Wir gehen. Ich muss raus da. Daug. Mit dem Daug muss ich reden.
How we doing?
Good. Wanna go have a look around outside?
Genau, eben, das müssen wir jetzt machen. Sehen wir uns mal um.
Let's have a look around.
Okay.
So, jetzt kann ich nämlich die Axt brauchen. Haha. Da sind wir ja einmal auch nicht weitergekommen bei diesen Zombies, die der Fernseher gerne haben. So. Shit. Also. Funktioniert sogar.
Now to distract those things. Carefully.
Aber jetzt nehmen wir den Stein. Jetzt hoffentlich Lee kannst du da durchrecken.
I can't reach that brick.
Was? Aber Sterne, Donner, jetzt habe ich nicht. Ich muss auftun zuerst, natürlich. Aha. Gib den Stein. Endlich. Jetzt kann ich den irgendwo herschmeißen. Ja, auch am ersten hier, hä? Ja, machen wir. Salut. Ich habe ein Fleisch. Er sieht auch gut aus da. Und der ohne Arm da.
God, poor kid.
Das sind richtige Zombies halt, he?
Now's the time.
Jetzt können wir raus schauen.
Alright. Time to see if he has the keys.
Okay, da kann ich überspielen, hä?
Be careful. Keep an eye out, will you?
Ja, das Bieli, die neu haben. Das ist kein gutes, so ein Feuerwehrbieli. Shit.
Hey, bud. I don't know what happened to Mom and Dad, but I know if you were there, you would have died for them. So, yeah. I'm gonna assume that's what happened.
Did you find them yet?
Give me a second.
Das ist der Brütsch. Das ist der Brütsch von ihm.
I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry I wasn't here. But knowing you were to take care of them, that helped.
Oh shit. Das ist der Brüder. Oh, jetzt muss ich den töten. Oh, Scheiße. Ja, müssen wir auch. Au! Ja, noch mehr, noch mehr. Komm. Stell dir vor, du müsstest da nehmen. Kannst du dir nicht vorstellen, ehrlich. Scheiße.
God. There we go.
Holy crap! Run!
Man, that was close.
But we did it. It's all that matters. I've got the keys.
Great. God, you're amazing. Let's get in there.
Also, jetzt haben wir die Schlüssel, jetzt können wir sie da... Ah, sie ist gerade mitgekommen. Also, jetzt sind wir schon gerade da. Cool.
Oh no. Shit. We gotta hurry.
Oh. Wecker, aufstehen, es gibt Food. Das Morgenessen ist nachher.
Doc, come on, baby, time to go.
I'm gonna get the truck pulled up round back!
Do it fast. I gotta get my dad out of here.
I don't plan on dilly-dallying. Honey, take Duck into the office and barricade the living hell out of the door behind me. Glenn, when you hear me honking in the alley, start getting people out of here. You got it. Doug, Carley, and Lee, you guys make sure our defenses stay up till then. And Lee, I better take that axe in case I run into any of them on the way to my truck.
Here you go.
That door's not locked anymore. Shit! You three, get on it! I'll get back as fast as I can.
Stay away from the windows.
Ja, dann.
Lee, if we don't make it through this, I should know that I think you're a great guy.
Gee, thanks, Doug.
Doug, if we don't make it through this, you should know.
I should know what?
Huh?
You said I should know
Shit!
Are you sure?
Shit!
Oh, shit! and real strong, okay?
Okay.
Clementine, did you find anything?
Nothing! Wait!
That window is through!
Der Spazierstock vom Mann. Oh, oh, oh.
I found something!
Genau. Lebt der Daug oder Carley? Oh, Scheiße. Es ist immer so eine Entscheidung.
No! Get him off of me!
Oh, God.
Let's go!
They got Doug. They...
You got more! You're not coming for this, you son of a bitch!
Huh?
I'm not letting somebody else get eaten today. Especially a good friend.
Wow. Don't say.
Meanwhile, inland, Atlanta has been downgraded temporarily to an 8, with attacks and rioting being reported in all precincts. Citizens are currently advised to stay in their homes or move towards the cities of Charlotte, Atlanta, and Orlando. If citizens choose to stay in their homes, they are urged to be near their radios and await further instructions. Moving to the cities of Charlotte, Atlanta, or Orlando may become necessary in order to ensure the safety of all citizens.
So awesome.
Meanwhile, inland, Atlanta has been downgraded temporarily to an 8, with attacks and rioting being reported in all precincts. Citizens are currently advised to stay in their homes or move towards the cities of Charlotte, Atlanta, and
Ja, Lee.
await further instructions. Moving to the cities of Charlotte, Atlanta, or Orlando may become necessary in order to ensure the safety of all citizens. Meanwhile, inland, Atlanta
Oh, man.
downgraded temporarily to
Hey, Glenn.
With uncountable severe emergencies in all counties, Georgia's cities and their current level of disaster are as follows. Atlanta, Stage 9 catastrophe. Augusta, Stage
I think I need to go.
Columbus, Stage
To Atlanta.
Yeah, I got friends there. And I just can't stay here knowing that they could be trapped in that city.
Sounds like nobody knows what's happening there. When we left a few days ago, could have gone either way.
I gotta take my chances.
Roswell, Stage 9 catastrophe. Albany, Stage 9 catastrophe. Once again, Savannah is now a Stage 9 catastrophe. With uncountable severe emergencies in all counties, Georgia's cities and their current level of disaster are as follows. Atlanta, Stage 9 catastrophe. Augusta, Stage 8 disaster. Columbus, Stage 6 infection. Savannah, Stage 9 catastrophe. Athens, Stage 8
Du musst tun, was du tun
You
musst.
gotta do what you gotta do.
And I gotta do this.
I respect that.
You guys be safe.
We'll try.
And Lee, you know, if this doesn't get better, people are going to give up. Like the girl from upstairs. Are you just gonna let them? You told Carley to give her the gun.
Yeah, I did.
Maybe you were right. I don't know how to handle something like that. Anyway, see you around.
Ja, So ist das. Der Kenny hat sich auch sehr professionell verhalten gerade. He?
Hey, kid.
Close call back there.
Thanks for picking me up.
No problem. We have to take care of each other.
Yeah, we do.
Hey, how about Clementine?
Yeah?
Earlier I said there's some stuff out there that might screw up a precious little girl like her.
You did.
Well, I still think that's true. But after what I saw today, I think between you taking care of her and her taking care of herself, you two are gonna be just fine.
Thanks, Kenny.
You got it.
Yes. Das Gute, Kenny. Ja, er hat in Stresssituationen sehr gut reagiert eigentlich. Lily?
How you doing, Carley?
Ah, Carley, nicht Lily.
I'm okay. You know, considering.
I do, yeah.
I can't stop thinking about Doug. We couldn't have saved him, could we?
I don't think so. It happened pretty fast.
I know it's stupid. We just met. And he was such a... It's just that... I think that I liked him.
I'm sorry, Carl.
It's okay. Thanks, though. There's been a lot of death in the past few days. Anyway, I'd rather be alone, I think.
I understand.
Wait, Lee?
Ja.
What is it?
How did you choose? We both needed you. You picked me.
I was gonna help you both.
But you helped me first.
Yeah, I did.
I just wish we both could have made it, you know?
Me too, Carley.
Carley. Yes. Und die zwei Bützler sind da am Schwätzen, Clementine, der ist gut. Und der Kleine, wie heisst er schon nicht mehr, der Kleine?
It's all like pow, pow, pow. I thought Super Dinosaur was
Ah,
toast.
Duck, genau.
But you know what? He wasn't. Oh, and then...
Hey, Duck, you wanna cool it for a minute?
Okay, sorry.
I'm sorry, there's not a lot of kids here.
No, it's not that. It's... I got grabbed again.
I was there, though.
I fell, and my walkie-talkie broke. Glenn had the other one.
Ja.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Thanks. I know I need to be tough. I'm just sad. I know it doesn't make any sense, but it's how I used to talk to my mom and dad. And now they're gone. It's gone.
Maybe we can find you another one.
I'll just keep this one, I guess.
Lee, come here for a second.
Let me go deal with this.
Oh man, Clementine, another thing.
Ja.
What do you want?
You like my daughter?
She's fine.
Fine, huh? Well, just fuck you, Lee Everett. That's right. I know who you are, and I know you're a killer. And you go near my daughter or step on a line once, and so will everyone else. I know who you are. And I don't give a shit about what happens to you. But if anything happens to my daughter or that little girl you've got with you, you watch your ass.
Ja, da habe ich gar nicht gern.
Hey, Lee, do you have a second? My dad would be dead if it weren't for you.
That guy Doug is dead because of me.
You can't be like that. You're only one man.
I don't know.
We're lucky to have you.
I hope that's the sound of us winning this thing.
Me too.
This motor inn's pretty damn defendable. We block off the entrances with some cars, keep someone on watch. We could stay here until the military rolls through.
I actually agree with that plan.
Me too.
We got beds, we got water, and most importantly, we got light. There are worse places to call home.
Yeah, you're right. You know, guys, I think it's going to be okay.
Scheiße.
I thought we'd be fine if we survived the walkers. Never expected they'd starve us out.
I want you to have this, okay? In case you or Clementine starts feeling weak.
You don't owe me anything, Carley. How you doing, Clementine?
I'm really hungry, Lee.
We gotta get food, Lee. Soon.
Howdy, I'm Andrew St. John. We're from the St. John Dairy.
It's beautiful.
Don't repeat what happened with the walkers at Herschel's farm. You choose the kids this time.
Something's coming, Lee. There's gonna be a war.
The walkers don't worry me as much as the bandits.
You fucked with us! Now we're gonna take what we want! There's too many of them!
You never liked my dad. Even back at the drugstore whenever you thought Kenny's kid was bit, you went out of your way to side against him.
This isn't happening!
No more, please! No more, please! Lee, please!
So, das wär's mit der Episode 1. Jetzt können wir auch noch gut schauen, wie wir uns entschieden haben. Aufrichtigkeit. Ja, gelogen. Ich bin ein Lügner. Ein Lügner? Habe ich eigentlich nicht wollen. Wieso denn? Wen würdest du retten? Daug oder Sean? 47% haben sich für Sean entschieden. Und die Mehrheit hat sich auch für einen Daug entschieden. Wie auch immer. Wie auch immer. Jetzt bin ich gleich ein bisschen überrascht. Loyalität auf keine Seite. Ja, bin ich gewesen. Weil der Kenny ist eine gute Gnade. Irene die Waffe übergeben. Dort, wo sie sich umgebracht hat. Ja. Das willst du sonst, gell? Selber machen. Nee, das ist schon für uns. Das war ihre Entscheidung und, ja. Daug oder Sean. Das ist der auf der Farm gsi. Daug oder Carley ist vorhin gsi. Sean ist gsi auf der Farm, dort, wo der andere auf dem Traktor ist gsi. Der Sean. Okay, jetzt habe ich es verwechselt gehabt. Ja. Okay. Die Musik wird ein bisschen leiser tun, ist gerade ein bisschen laut. Also, damit beende ich diesen Part hier. Coole erste Episode gewesen, echt, Fact schon, es ist also, ja. Episode 2 fangen wir im nächsten Part, fangen wir Episode 2 an und bin gespannt, wie das da weitergeht. Hoffe, die seid wieder mit dabei, lasst die Credits durchlaufen und ja, bis zum nächsten Mal. Ciao zusammen.